Another popular method of fusing fireworks is the zip tie method. Um, the pros of this method are that it's a secure connection in most cases, in that you don't have to worry about something coming along and knocking a fuse loose from your leader fuse. Once they are zip tied in place, they don't move. Another positive aspect of it is that it makes a pretty tight connection between your shell fuse and your leader fuse. A lot of people will just, even if it's cut off square, many people just put their zip ties in. They'll even leave a tail of their shell fuse sticking out. And that's a secure connection. It's not going to pull apart. And then most people will go a half an inch over and go ahead and put a second one. Now, to me, the downsides of doing this is that sometimes these shell fuses will have a good little bit of lacquer on them. And sometimes when you're using a fast fuse such as this, it's going to be burning at a 1/4 second per foot. It is going to go 1 foot in 1/4 of a second. And burning that fast, it can burn past this fuse and not set it off. And so to overcome these possibilities of failure, what I like to do is again have it cut at an angle, have fresh powder exposed, set these two fuses with that fresh powder. It's a little difficult to do. And pull that zip tie tight right on top of that fresh powder. Go ahead and give it a second one for just security's sake. Trim the ends out of the way. As you can see, this is a very good connection that's probably going to make it through, as opposed to just putting two together with this end not tight with the fuse. Some people will even take it at this point and wrap it with tape just to make absolutely sure. Again, that's maybe it's overkill. They like the zip tie because it holds for strength, and then they like the tape because it contains the fire. To each their own in that respect. The other issue with zip ties is getting them consistently tight. Especially if you're going to put one down on the end. For those that like using zip ties, we have got a handy tool for getting a consistent tightness and he clips it at the same time. Makes for a very nice finished product. This is referred to as a zip tie gun. It's used a lot in the wiring profession when you're doing a lot of home wiring with internet cables and that sort of thing. They zip tie all of those together. Folks use it. It grabs the fuse, pulls it. When it reaches a certain tension that you set down here, it will activate the blade, and the blade comes down and trims your zip tie. Very handy tool, fairly inexpensive. You can find these on our website.